This is the only animal care management course available and about for the students. Different kids from different places, so they can get to work together. So it's not just sat in the classroom doing work all day. I want to get them up actually working with the species that we're talking about to give them an insight into perhaps stuff they haven't seen before and therefore getting that hands-on experience. They do a bit of mammals, so that's your rabbits, your guinea pigs. They do some reptile work, so lizards and snakes, so feeding them, handling them, looking at their enclosure design. Amphibians and fish, so feeding fish and setting up their enclosures and also handling and how to handle them safely and correctly. And other small mammal species such as gerbils and mice, and also inverts as well, so we've got stick insects, cockroaches. The reaction we've had, they've really enjoyed it. You know, they've certainly loved the handling. They've done a bit of sort of written work to write about how they've done and what they've been doing over the course of that day as well, which has got them thinking about why they've done the activity, what's the purpose of it, which again has had a good response to as well.
I would recommend the animal care course because it's a new experience and you get to work with different kinds of animals. I've enjoyed making new friends and meeting people from around the world.
To be in such a nice surrounding away from the big city, to sort of feel a little bit like you're in your own little bubble, your own little world sometimes here, you know, which is lovely.